Welcome to M Family Cuisine. Per some viewers' request, I'm going to introduce you the most served dish in our family. Whenever the family chefs feel happy or tired, this is the number one choice. It always cheers up everybody. Here are the ingredients: tomatoes and eggs. Peeling is optional. Soak the tomatoes in boiling water for 5 minutes. Cut into big chunks. Will make a good family size dish. Beat the egg while you're heating the pan. Beat it well. Add salt, some oil. Cook it to medium. Now heat the oil again. Add tomato. Will come out. Put it on medium high heat. Stir it often. Cook till the tomato juice starts to reduce and you still have some good chunks of tomato. Then add eggs. Chop the scrambled egg into small bite-sized pieces. Add some sugar. You need to taste the sweetness of this dish. Okay. Now plate it. Add a little bit of chopped green onion. This is M Family Cuisine. Happy cooking, happy eating, and a happy family. Ciao.